We'll guide you through how to use Claude AI for content creation. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin the process of using Claude AI for your content creation needs, you must first launch the Google Chrome browser on your desktop or laptop computer. Once the browser window is open, click inside the search bar located at the very top of the window. Type Claude AI into the field to find the assistant's website and tap the Enter key on your keyboard to run the search. Select the top official link for Claude AI to visit the main dashboard. Click the Continue with Google button to start the sign-in process. Select the specific Google account you want to use for your AI projects. Tap the Continue button when prompted to grant the necessary permissions. Dismiss any initial pop-up windows that appear on screen. Start your creative project by clicking on the prompt input area. Type, for example, "Give me 7 vlog video ideas for my channel." My channel is about daily vlogging into the box. Click the small up arrow icon to send your message to the AI. Give the AI a moment to generate its creative suggestions. Pick the concept you like best from the list to develop it further. Enter a second prompt such as, "Write a vlog script for my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do no screen day vlog," and hit send. Answer the follow-up questions Claude asks to refine the video's direction. Select a chill and aesthetic tone when the AI asks for your style. Choose a big city setting to help the AI visualize the background. Specify that you want the audience to feel entertained and laughing by the finish. Review the full scenario the AI generates and scroll to the bottom of the page. Type another prompt. Write a 30 to 60-second short-form vlog script for YouTube Short and click Send. Wait for the AI to condense the story into a high-energy short-form format. Scroll down to the end of the script once it has finished typing. Ask for a shot list by typing, "Give me a simple shot list what to record during the main activity. Keep it short, max 10 shots," and click Send. Your creative roadmap is now ready, and you can begin recording your content for your next video.